Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones closed at 280 points negative, Nasdaq closed at 157 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at very flat. So, after the positive results came from Amazon, Alphabet, the stock, especially the Nasdaq, rallied. And even at one point, it was trading negative, but a sharp recovery came after the results of Amazon, Alphabet, and all these tech companies. So, uh, another thing that Fed interest rate decisions is out. So, if you look at the interest rate, they have kept it unchanged to 3.5 to 3.8%. However, the commentary was very much in focused, so they are very much concerned about the inflation. Now, if you look at Brent crude now it is at $110 per barrel. Even you won't believe, after the Fed interest rate was out, the Brent crude shot up to $119 per barrel. So at one point, Brent crude at 119 hit all-time high, and from there we saw some profit booking and correction, and it closed at 110 points at Brent crude. So this is what currently the Brent crude is, $119 per barrel. Can you believe? It is a very big. Now SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 136 points. Now if I talk about FIA and DIA data, now in previous session the FII they have sold close to 2400 crores, and DII they have bought close to 2266 crores. So what FIA have sold, similarly in case the DII have bought. Asian markets are mostly flat to negative. Now let's talk about our market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you observe the Nifty closing, Nifty at one point, once the Nifty broke 24,200, we saw a sharp bounce till 24,300, 24,350, right? Now, if you look at the support is at now at 24,000, and the resistance now is at 24,300. So now again the 24,300 is going to be the resistance on Nifty, and the support now will become 24,000, and the downside possibility is that Nifty still can go towards 23,950, and if 23,950 is broken, then we can even touch 23,800. So downside risk is the chance of Nifty coming down is very high as compared to Nifty go up. Looking at the Brent crude, looking at the dollar rupee, it is at all-time high, and rupee is at all-time low still. So this is what I think, and my yesterday market was very good, right? For the first half it was a trending market, and even after about 24,200 I added quantities in positions, but I exited cost to cost. And yesterday market gives me a confirmation that from higher levels the big seller is sitting, and any high levels and any bounce that we see in market on the upside is getting sold into. So yesterday market looks very tired at higher levels, and it doesn't showing any strength at higher levels. So I went ahead and exited all my long positions, and I'll not look for any shorting opportunity. I want to wait, because Friday, Saturday, Sunday is holiday, and Monday we have election results. So we have to watch those two things very closely. First thing is we have to watch Brent crude, the Brent crude which has been affected by Strait of Hormuz, and second thing is exit polls and the election results which is happening all over the state. Few states like Bengal, Assam, and all these places. So we have to watch it very closely. The market will definitely going to react what will happen with the election results. On 4th, we have election results in Bengal, so you have to watch it very closely. So I don't have any long positions, I don't have any short positions. I am going neutral in this market because of this geopolitical situations and domestic political uncertainty. So let's see what happens in exit polls and elections. So market will be focusing on those two things. Now Bank Nifty closing was around 55,400. The support now will become 55,000, and the resistance now will become 56,000. Now let's talk about results. Bajaj Finance came out with results. The revenue is up by 17.10, and the net profit is up by 22.00%. So good results from Bajaj Finance. I will not say out of this world results, but still very good results from Bajaj Finance. Now today heavy result days there. Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, you have Bajaj Finserv, Hindustan Unilever. So they are HUL. So they all are coming with results. So we have to watch those results very, very closely. So this is it. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you have taken the notes. So we have holiday on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday the market will be open. And plus we have to watch what will happen with Strait of Hormuz. Right? Iran is not at all happy. Iran is not at all okay to open the Strait of Hormuz until they do the nuclear deal. So let's see what happens. Let's see where the things go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.